We have those classes will be 10th classes. So let's go ahead and let's find that's what I have to continue today. This is I'm not finding the people, so much people are not here in continuing. I'm looking for this normals, I'm looking for this continue people. Alright, I'm not finding the people are regular. So many people are regular, thank you very much. But I'm looking for this maximum the people should be regular, so then it will be helpful for them. If they will be not regular, then what will be what I'm teaching and what I'm doing, that will be in this on the channel only, and that will not be beneficial for show you. This training video I provided before also. If you need that is what is this, how you can test this people for the teachers. This already I have uploaded before that. You can watch once again. Alright, how you can make a formats and how you can teach. These are everything I have already taught. Alright, here these are this simple methods we have, and today let's see what I will teach you. So today will be 10 number. Today will be 10 number. Just I'm going to number 10. Number 10. Alright, so let's go ahead. So yesterday also I told you about these things. I hope if you have an issue, and I told you that you will make a sentence, that is sentence, which will help you out, that you will able to understand about that whatever this pronoun and how it's work. Like this, if we're talking about this here, says subjects pronouns, we can say I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Object pronouns me, you, him, her, it, us, your, them, and possessive my, your, his, her, his, our, your, their. Possessive adjective and possessive pronouns mine, yours, his, her, not use, yours, your, their. Reflexive pronouns myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Okay, so this already I've covered up, but for your kind information, I told you here that's how to you can teach. And this student also they can, and teachers also they can take a here, they can give him as benefit. Already these things I have told. This will be late, how you can say homework, how you can say waiting to start, right? So please go through that with you. This already I uploaded. This thing today I am going to show the plural and singular. Look, this plurals here as this is our teacher, that is we, your, that is you, we are. This is our teachers, you, your. This is your new classmates. There, they, there. So he and Jack are in their house. Ram and Jack are there in house. Next you can say possessive adjective. She, I, he, you, it. How? That is what? Her. She and her. She is with her brother. She is with her brother. I, that is I, like my school. He, there is his mother. There is his mother. You, yours. Is this your pen? It is. This dog play. So here they have shown that how we have used the singular and how we have used here plural. Alright, so you can go through that many times. It will help you out to understanding. Okay, this format already have given many times. If even you required, you can try. This sentence already I have uploaded, and I told you to you will that is practice many times. Already I have uploaded. Now this all format already. Look, this is a very important which preposition where we can use and what is their meaning. It's very important. Don't think this is very easy. So hold the list where we can use by, with, on, for, tense, future tense where we'll use from, for, by, till. Today I think that just I'm going to repeat these things. As today also I repeat. Once again I'm going to repeat here. I hope in the one day it's not possible. I see. I see. Please speak with me. I see and send your video. I see. Please speak with me and send your video. I am single. I am single. I am single. I think. I think. I think. I quit. I am lost. I am lost. I am home. 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 I promise. I promise. I promise. I promise. I decline. I decline. I decline. So long. Have fun. So do I. So do I. So do I. Have fun. How much? Up to you. Good luck. Forget it. Forget it. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Keep in touch. What's new? It's yours. It's guns. That's you need. Here you are. Control yourself. Sounds great. As you're there, do it right. I hate you. I am bored. That happens. Slow down. Relax. Don't ring. Serve the food. Keeps mom. See him off. Okay. Done. All right. These sections tomorrow I say that I will dish, but before this I will show you this. Everyone will make these types of pictures. Even we have a watch in your classroom. Look here. Whichever you are looking on this, just I'm going to marking. Like a 12, 6. So there's we will half pass, whatever this the indicators will be. That means if this fingers like will be, this will be small, this small one will be here 6, and this big one will be also here. Then we can say 6:30. If this needle will be here, this hand, this will be past. That is, we are cutting, that is how much? 1, 2 o'clock. You can say 2 o'clock. Otherwise we can say is 2 o'clock. Is 2 o'clock. Is 1 o'clock. Is 5 o'clock. Right? But if there will be this way, then we can say it's 10 minutes 10 past 1. It's 10 past 1. Alright? And this will be, what time is it? It's 10 time. It's 1 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. It's 10 past 1. It's a quarter to 2. 4 minutes to 3. It is 4 minutes to 3, which will be that side. That's why I have written 2 here, that side written past here. And that is here written we have quarter. No. What time is? It is 4 minutes to 3. We'll put the picture many times watch, and here will be more clear. Just I'm showing you the exercise here. Look here. Regulating in 3 hours. 1 by lunch break. At lunch. In the past. On that day. At the time. At the moments. At this moment. At present. At the weekends. On weekends. And 2 weeks. In the future. In a few minutes. In a moment. And in the past. In 3 hours. From here also you can take some. Close your book, put your book away, pack your things away. Who is absent today? Register late, what you have been, what started 10 minutes ago, what started 10 minutes ago, what have you been doing, did you miss your bus, did you oversleep, didn't let it happen once again. These all everything I have uploaded before, so if you have not watched till now, you can go and watch, otherwise you can watch from here also. You can watch from here also. Alright, this all everything I uploaded before. This video also uploaded. Good morning. Good day to you, sir. He is still not well. Well done. Keep it up. 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 Well done. Keep it up. Well done. Keep it up. Well done. Keep it up. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. I'll catch you soon. I'll catch you soon. Please give your hand. Please give your hand. Get out on my side. I don't understand. What do you mean? What are you looking about? Could you stay away from my stop? I'm sorry. It's none of your problems, business. I don't know. We both like each other. Come quickly. Thank you very much. Can I ask you something? It was nice meeting you. How are you? What is going on? Where are you living? License dislike. Sorry for this inconvenience. What can I do for you? Will you please help with his? This is not a joke. You can try it, learn many times. You can write, learn many times. Okay? So thank you very much for your support. This way, once again, you will get a video. Please watch complete video. Don't quit. How much time you will wait? You can say you can watch. That much more clear. If any issue, you can just do call us. This is totally free. 7988284089. Okay. Thank you very much.